Hi guys, this is Samir Sayed. So today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can check Realme Note 50 touch panel. Before continue the video, do subscribe the channel and press bell icon for interesting videos, and also like the videos and comment below for more tips and tricks. Okay, now let's start. Firstly, open the dial pad and dial a code star hash 899 hash. Then you see this window where you also test many other hardwares of phone like sensor, Bluetooth, SD card, LCD, speaker, receiver, etc. But today I am only talking about screen panel. For panel testing, Realme is providing us two options. First one is auto testing, another is manual testing. So just scroll down until you see auto touch panel. Click auto touch panel and don't touch the phone for some second. Just make sure don't touch the phone screen panel, and you will see the tick mark here, which means the panel is 100% working, and if your screen has any fault, the tick mark wouldn't appear. After that, click on touch panel edge. Here you can test like this, draw lines on edges. See, after that the tick mark appear here also. It means your touch panel is 100% in working. See how easily we can test touch panel on the Realme Note 50. So that's it about the video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Just don't forget to like the video, subscribe us, and if you guys want any other tips and tricks related to Realme Note 50, so comment below. See you guys on next video. Thank you so much.